The Renault Duster is all set to get a complete makeover. It's already being speculated that the next generation of Renault Duster will be offered in both 5-seater and 7-seater variants, and conceptual drawings of a 7-seater variant has been made by many. Rumors arrived that next generation Renault Duster was based on CMF platform, but some latest reports on this seem to suggest that all the upcoming models will be based on the upgraded BO Logan platform. The new Duster will also have a new design and will not be merely a refreshed version of the old one. It will also be longer than the current Duster. We don't know yet what engine options with the new Renault Duster would come up in India, but for UK, the Dacia Duster would come up with 124 bhp, 1.2 litre turbocharged petrol unit and probably 130 bhp, 1.6 litre diesel unit. A new Elantra with 204 HP engine has been unveiled in South Korea by Hyundai, where it's sold under the name Avante Sport. This version is based on next generation Elantra, which is up for launch in India next year. The Avante Sport that we are talking about here comes from a turbocharged 4-pot GDI 1.6 litre motor, which makes a peak torque of 265 Nm and comes mated to a 6-speed manual gearbox as standard and 7-speed dual clutch automatic gearbox as optional. According to Hyundai, the new Avante Sport can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 8 seconds, which we must say is quite impressive for a city car of this range. Cosmetic changes made to this car include a muscular bumper with large air intake, red accents on headlights, new side skirts and 18-inch alloy wheels. On the inside, the car gets sporty seats, red accents, a flat bottom steering wheel and 4 carbon fiber inserts. The legendary Ford Mustang is here. It has taken 6th generation for the Mustang to come to India, but thankfully, the wait is finally over. Although internationally the Mustang is made available with a host of engine options like 2.3 litre 4-cylinder EcoBoost and the 3.7 litre V6, both of which make over 300 horsepower in India, and it has been made available with only 5.0 litre V8 with 401 PS of peak power and 515 Nm of peak torque. The engine comes mated to a 6-speed dual clutch automatic gearbox. The new Mustang incorporates some of the features of the older versions. The new Mustang incorporates some of the features of the older versions. The older features which have been retained in the new Mustang include the long and muscular bonnet and a stubby rear. Other feature list includes 4 selectable drive modes, electronic line lock to help pull off a clean burnout, electronic stability control and traction control. You also get a touchscreen infotainment system, Ford Mikey, keyless entry and a push-button start-stop system. The Hero Splendor 110i Smart has been launched in India. The first completely in-house developed bike, the Splendor 110i Smart, comes with somewhat of a new design language along with new color schemes. The bike is powered by the all-new 110cc air-cooled single-cylinder engine that is tuned to produce 8.9 bhp of peak power and 9 Nm of peak torque. The engine has been mated to a 4-speed transmission. The bike also gets TVS famous i3S technology, which is basically an auto start-stop function that shuts the engine down when the bike stops and engages it in neutral in order to improve fuel efficiency of the bike. Because of this, the i3S delivers a mileage of 75 to 80 kilometers per liter. The i3S Tech made its debut with 100cc Splendor.